Hi, my name is Kian Hao. Today I'm going to do the presentation for task 2.2p. So here we have an account class and we have create two variables with data type decimal and string. And the access modifier is private. So for private, it means that we only can access the variable in its own class and not other class. So later I will show the example like what will be happen when we try to access the variable directly from other class. And here is the constructor. So the access modifier is public, so it means that it can be used in own class and other class. And the method's name will be the same name as the class. For this, it will going to run automatically when we open a new object. So it will going to record down the value we give to the variable here. And now here's the deposit methods. So it also the access modifier as public, and it's a void, so it won't we don't need to do any return at here. So it will only run the code here without return anything. So we are going to put a amount here, and you're going to check the amount, is it bigger than 0. If bigger than 0, it will add the amount to the balance and give a message, else it will like give an error message and do nothing to the balance. Same with the withdraw, you're going to check at here, like if the amount like bigger than 0 or smaller than the balance, it will going to deduct the amount from the balance and give a message, else it will show the error message and do nothing to the amount, to the balance. And here is the print methods. It's going to show the, it's used to show the data in this class. So it will show the name and the balance in the sentence. And last is the property. So for the property, we like, since like what I said, because this is the private, so we can straight away get the name like using the variable here. We need to use the property to get the variable here. Now let's go to the test account. Okay, let's run it and see what's going on. So let's start. So we create a new object at here, like with the reference name my account, and we call the class name here the account, and here is the constructor name. So yeah, we run the constructor, so we have put a value in at least and 1000. So you can see at least the name none, like because I still haven't run it yet. Okay, so yeah, the name becomes at least, and the balance becomes 1000. So now print my account. So you are going to show the information of this account, of my account. Yeah. So look at here. Yeah, the information show in the terminal. Then let's continue. So now let's try to do the deposit like 250. So it will call the methods here, and you will check it, is it bigger than 0? If it is bigger than 0, it will add the amount to the balance and give a message. So look at here. Yeah, the amount increased 250, and you receive a message here, 250 is deposited. And now same with the withdraw. So we are going to put a withdraw at here, and yeah, and something I forget to say is, before we like if we want to call the method in a class, we need to call the reference name first. Put a reference name with a dot in front of the method's name. So let's continue. So yeah, so because it's 100, so it's the amount is bigger than 0 and is smaller than the balance, because our balance is 1150, and continue. Okay, now let's check. So because just now our balance is 1250 and now it deducted 100, and it will give a message here. The 100 is withdraw, and let's continue. Now let's make some arrow here, like 1000, like a negative value for deposit, and see what will be happen. So yeah, when it check it, oh, it's smaller than 0, so it will directly give a error message and do nothing with the balance. So yeah, look at here, and we can see the balance is still the same. And same with the withdraw methods, yeah, because like my amount is much more bigger than the balance, so yeah, it will just give the error message and do nothing to the balance. So here is the print again, so yeah, we will show the message here, like what we do just now. And for this, and yeah, for here we call the property name here, so we can get the name. So since like the name we're using the string, right, we can straight away use it in the console right line. So if we use word or other thing, yeah, we can't straight away put it in the console right line, or like equals to, like, or set it into another variable. So yeah, that's how it should be. So now, let's try if we put something, if we directly call the variable outside the class. And then let's run it. So yeah, it will show that build fails. So it means that it have some problem here. So that's all for my presentation today. Thank you.